have you ever heard of the name of Hal Elrod, who was in the debt of 350 crores in 2008, changed one habit and today is having a net worth of more than 800 crores. The one player among the elite players of basketball, Kobe Bryant. How did he succeed in his career and how he became a top paid athlete? Tim Cook, Richard Branson, PM Modi. These all people are elite players in their field. What is common among all? Can you guess? What is that one thing which allowed them to succeed and make them the best out of nothing? The secret which was written by the great sages of India, Maharshi Charaka, Shushruta and Vagbhatta thousands of years ago, which is now also proved by modern science. The thing is Brahma Muhurat. What do you think? Is it really Brahma that is creation or Brahma, a delusion? Does it gives you power or supernatural abilities? Why is it good? Why? Hello everyone, my name is Bhavya Gupta and I am a Bachelor of Ayurveda, Medicine and Science 3rd year student, and today I am going to tell about Brahma Muhurta. In this video, I will tell you every secret behind this concept and we will know what is Brahma Muhurat and what is the science behind it. What effect does it do on your subconscious mind and how your goals and dreams are connected with it. And also we'll talk about solution for people who cannot wake up at this time and hacks that will make you a morning person. I salute all the people who win from themselves. Firstly, let's understand what is Brahma Muhurta. Then we will see according to Ayurveda and neuroscience what are the benefits of waking up in Brahma Muhurat. Brahma Muhurte Uttishtet Swasto Rakshartham Ayushah. There are 24 hours in a day and these 24 hours are divided into 30 Muhurats according to Ayurveda, and one Muhurat constitutes of 48 minutes. Before sunrise, there are two Muhurats. One is Brahma Muhurat and another one is Samudra Muhurat. One of them which comes before is known as Brahma Muhurat. Suppose if the sunrise today is at 7, then Brahma Muhurat will be 48 plus 48, that is 96 minutes before, that is it will begin from 5:24 and will end at 6:12. The word Brahma means power of creation, that is period of self-creation, period of self-transformation. It is a period where your brain is the emptiest and this time you can fill it with whatever new you want. From neurological understanding of Brahma Muhurta, we must understand a concept of Ayurveda, that is, according to Ayurveda, our body constitutes of 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Healthy, all 3 doshas must be balanced. According to Acharya Charak, Vata is the most dominant and important dosha, or you can call it energy for better understanding. Breathing to all respiratory movements from blood circulation to neuron transport, Vata is responsible for all these activities. If there is an imbalance in Vata dosha or energy, all the functions in your body gets disoriented. You will have mood swings, depression, you will feel like failure is approaching from every prospects of life. The thing which is the most affected is your mana, that is your soul, because mana, that is soul, and Vata, the energy, are made up of similar components. When you wake up at Brahma Muhurta, it is the best time to maintain this Vata through meditation, reading and learning. This makes life filled with happiness and positivity, mental clarity and intuition. It also helps in emotional well-being and flexibility. Neuroscience also proves this concept of Ayurveda. Pineal gland, an organ present in brain, secretes melatonin, which is responsible for our sleep cycle. It increases in night while we are asleep and causes our sleep cycle and decreases as the day arrives. The other hormone is serotonin, or you can call it cortisol in common language. When daybreak occurs, serotonin secretion increases when the sun rays enters in our eyes. The balance of serotonin and melatonin hormone influences our sleep cycle. These both hormones are in balance during the Brahma Muhurta. It is also one of the importance of Brahma Muhurta. Dr. Joe Dispenza calls it a miracle hormone because due to the effect of melatonin at Brahma Muhurta, our brain is completely empty and thoughtless. According to Ashtang Hridaya, it is the best time for self-knowledge. Now the question arises, how to wake up at Brahma Muhurta? So here are a few ways which you can try to wake up at Brahma Muhurta. You must eat light at night which makes waking up early easy and makes you free from lethargy. Do not plan your day at Brahma Muhurta since it is a wastage at such a time. Plan your day one night before sleep. It will help you in waking up. Third point is sleep peacefully. Do not stress about waking up at Brahma Muhurta as it will cause you health problems. Next point is schedule your meals. See, what we eat is what we become. So you must need to schedule your meals. The time management will help you in waking up at Brahma Muhurta and will make you a morning person. Avoid caffeine in evening. The next point is you should try to change slowly. Do not change your timings immediately. Suppose today you woke up at 8 and usually you woke up at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. And suddenly after watching this video, you will think, oh, I will wake up at Brahma Muhurta, that is at 4 o'clock in the morning. It will not cause great health benefits, but rather it will have many side effects on your body. So I recommend you should change your sleeping pattern every day. For example, one day if you wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning, the next day you should wake up at 7:30, half an hour before your usual timings. By this way, in 4 to 5 days, you will be able to wake up at Brahma Muhurta. Now, let us talk about benefits. Since we have already discussed so much about Brahma Muhurta, I don't think so it requires this specific area to explain its benefits. But still, let's talk about it. Waking up at Brahma Muhurta resets our circadian rhythm. If you don't know about circadian rhythm, you can comment below so I can tell you about it in my later video. Due to stress and modern lifestyle, the melatonin-serotonin cycle gets disturbed. This causes great effects on all the other cycles in our body like hormonal patterns, secretions, etc. People who wake up at Brahma Muhurta are lesser prone to diabetes, obesity, negative thoughts and emotions. According to International Journal of Yoga and Allied Sciences, the nascent oxygen available in the atmosphere in early morning gets easily mixes with hemoglobin and forms oxyhemoglobin, which has many benefits including boosting of immune system and energy level, and also it helps in relieving from pain. You can reset your subconscious mind in this time, since the subconscious mind is responsible for maintenance of our habits, beliefs and emotions. You can set it up with new ideas, positive thoughts and affirmations. Lastly, the law of attraction. You have heard of it many times in many videos and in daily life also. What is this law of attraction? Normally it says, if you think about a thing which you want daily, 24 hours every day and night, then you will get it. So how this law of attraction is beneficial during Brahma Muhurta? See, during Brahma Muhurta, most of the people are sleeping, and so their thought will not mingle with yours, their energies will not mingle with yours. Your thoughts will be sent in the universe more faster because other people are sleeping. So universe will give you things much more easily and much more faster rather than when you think it during any other hour of the day. So law of attraction works very well during Brahma Muhurta. You should try it. It is really a great experience. And tell me which time in the morning do you wake up in the comment section, and let's form a community and see how many people wake up at Brahma Muhurta and at least before 8. So I'll give you an example. A lotus grows in mud, but still it is so pure. It indicates if you want to travel on the path of light, you must wake up at dark. Don't you think so? So guys, I hope you like this video and you hope you all got to know about Brahma Muhurta. If you want more such videos, you can comment below on which topic do you want them. I hope you found it beneficial. Thank you so much. We'll meet in